Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope friends all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, so answer of this question is very easy, that I am here with you along with some more new, we would say that would be more appropriate, beautiful hand paint, and you can say hand embroidered, machine embroidered, handmade face masks, and these embroidery designs are purely 3D, and you can use these patterns to make your face mask by sitting at your home, and only by watching this video you can get amazing patterns, stitches, color combination ideas of how you can make your face masks, friend. Don't go anywhere, watch the video till end. I bet that you would get very amazing and very beautiful classy ideas related to face mask designing. Friends, don't take it lightly. Coronavirus pandemic situation is getting not completely under control, but with the passage of time it is getting under control. But once it gets injected to someone, the recovery is very difficult and effortful for a person. So it is very important to keep ourselves protected. For keeping us protected from this very dangerous coronavirus and many other sort of viruses like acute and minor seasonal viruses, it is very important for us to wear face mask, and at the same time these masks protect person from any sort of minor and acute allergies, pollution, pollen problems, and many more acute and minor problems. So friends, the purpose of sharing this video is to share some handmade 3D hand embroidered designer style face masks to encourage you to take care of yourself, and at the same time you can look classy and chic into your fashion sense and clothing style. Friends, the entire video collection is very beautiful, and I hope you will get classy and amazing ideas that how you can make your face masks. And this video is in the continuation of my previous videos. I have shared a number of very beautiful, unique, decent and delicate hand embroidered handmade face mask designs. Go to my playlist face masks and get a variety of designs if you are unable to find your favorite and favorable face mask hand embroidered designs. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like my content, please like the video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and please share my video with your friends and family as well. So stay blessed. Once again, thank you so much. We will soon be back with you along with some new stylish and trendy ideas. On my channel, you can get a variety of fashion ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, footwear, handbags, makeup, cosmetics, nail art, jewelry designs, mehndi designs, original gemstones information, hand art, hand embroidery, fabric painting, silk ribbon embroidery, crochet designing, and much more. So stay tuned and keep watching my content. Thank you.